Text 780-991-2738 to book a Hydrovac truck. Sewer and water potholing excavation. The 3D Line Hydrovac trucks are available for emergency hydrovac services, as well as peak seasons. Potholing excavation, what is that?
It's simply that you're allowing pipe that is underground to have the soil around it excavated in a very safe manner so you can see what's going on. Basically, daylighting is bringing the daylight to the pipe. That's the simple process.
It uses pressure and water. What are the benefits of the 3D Line potholing excavation system?
It's cost effective, it's safe, and it's flexible. It can be done in frozen ground, up to 40 below zero.
3D Line can take care of potholing, exposed buried pipes, cables, culvert cleanups, service repair pits, trenching, and debris removal. 3D Line Hydrovac is fully certified. Simply scan to book a Hydrovac truck or call 888-748-2224.